Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing guys? Since it's UAE National Day and most of us do take part in the celebration by wearing the traditional dress, which is the kandora. We say kandora and kandora aigal. Some wear the aigal, Gutra and all some, but most of the youngsters, we prefer to wear the Shemagh or shawl or the Gutra in the tying style. So let me give you a small easy technique on how to do that. Okay, so before I go into that, let me show you something. This one is called the shawl. This is called the shawl, and this one is also kind of shawl, but this is what I'm going to use now because it suits with my kandora, the color what I'm wearing now. The white one what you have is called the Gutra. Okay, the Gutra means the white one. And the Shemagh is the similar one, but which is like a bit stiff kind of thing. But this is a shawl kind of thing. All right. So what you have to do is like first you have to get it like in a triangle. Okay, it's a triangle. I don't know if you can see this one. Okay, got it. Then what you have to do is like just fold it into half, like fold it this way. Okay. What I do is like what we normally do is like we just lift our leg, okay, and put on our thigh and just see I fold it into like not exactly half, but like you can see this part here. See this? Okay, so after this what you have to do is like simple. Okay, you just lift it up, take it behind, okay, and put it in front. Make sure that the folded part is inside. Okay, inside. Now you try pulling it and make it straight. The tip of this one has to be together, aligned together. All right. Now what you have to do is like, then there are many ways you can wear this one, but let me give you a simple way. What you have to do is like you just twist it or roll it outside like 2 or 3 times, up to you. And what I normally do is like I just start with one. Okay, I take one, all right, I take it like I just bring it back. See this? And I take it front here. Okay, normally there are many ways. Just pull it down, yeah. Okay, take it behind and tuck it in here. You just tuck it here. Just put it inside. Got it? Just to stay there. Okay. Now, one thing what you have to be very careful about, what we normally make mistake is that never tighten this. Don't make it very tight. Okay. Let it go free. Let it be free. See this? See? I left it free, not tightening it. That's the main mistake what we do. Okay, now I have rotated again this one. I've twisted this. Now I'm taking it again from behind. Okay, behind, and bring it front this way. Okay, and make it here.
Okay, this is the most simple way. Then just go into the mirror and just adjust it. Like just adjust how it looks good on you or not. Okay.
There you go. Simple. Thank you.